So in today's video I'm going to show you where your fuse box is for your Corolla 2010. So you're going to have to pop your hood open, and then your fuse box will be on the driver's side. That's on my right. On your left if you're in the car. So it's going to be on the driver's side. This is the box over here. So you need a flat screwdriver, and you're going to need to unlock it. You got these two spots over here, 1, 2, and you'll just pull it open. This you don't need to do anything with the screwdriver, you just need to push it up once you have these two unlocked. So you're gonna need to go inside and turn this sideways. So we can start with that one, pull it out, do the same with the other one. It's a bit tricky when you're holding the camera and trying to do it. There we go, it's popped up open, and then down here you just push it out, and there's your fuse box. So if you have anything that's not running the way you want it to, might be another issue, but this is also somewhere, I mean, one of the fuses might have blown up. So if you've checked everywhere and you can't diagnose anything, the last thing would be replacing the fuse. And if you want to close it up, same thing, just put it back inside, slide this part inside, and then you just need to push it. And there you go. It's confirmed that it's perfectly situated and you're good. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.